Hello everyone! In today's class we will learn about subject pronouns. Let's go! Their function is to be the subject of a sentence, and it is not optional, as in Spanish. I will pronounce the subject pronouns. Please repeat after me. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Those are the subject pronouns. Now let's see something very important, and it is that he, she, and it are the third person. So, when we have to conjugate verbs, we must add the letter S at the end of the verb. However, there are some rules that state how to do that. Very good, guys, and let's continue. Now let's conjugate the verb be. It is the most used verb in English. Here we have the subject pronouns. Now let's conjugate the verb be. Please repeat after me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Very good. And let's do it one more time. Repeat after me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Excellent. Let's continue with an important rule. It is when an animal has a gender and name, we use he or she instead of it. For example, that dog is my pet. His name is Firulais, and he is my best friend. Excellent, everyone. Let's continue with an exercise. Complete using a subject pronoun. Take special attention to the verb to be. So, in here we have 8 sentences. I am going to pronounce them, and please fill the gaps following my pronunciation. Number 1, I am a student. Number 2, you are my friend. Number 3, he is a man. Number 4, she is a woman. Number 5, it is a dog. Number 6, we are a group. Number 7, you are my friends. Or well, you are friends. And number 8, they are my parents. Very good. Now let's see the answers of those sentences. Number 1, I am a student. Number 2, you are my friend. Number 3, he is a man. Number 4, she is a woman. Number 5, it is a dog. Number 6, we are a group. Number 7, you are friends. Number 8, they are my parents. Excellent. And let's finish this with another exercise. Replace the subjects with a subject pronoun. For example, a cat is on the table. In this sentence, a cat is the subject, so it can be replaced by the subject pronoun it. It is on the table. Okay, let's start. Number 1, the rabbits are playing in the field. The rabbits are the subject. They can be replaced by the subject pronoun they. They are playing in the field. Very good. Number 2. My sister is a student. She is a student. Number 3. My brother is fat. He is fat. Let's continue. Number 4. My friends are short. My friends can be replaced by the subject pronoun they. They are short. Very good. Number 5. My mother has black hair. She has black hair. Excellent. Number 6. The giraffe has a long neck. It has a long neck. Very good, everyone. Number 7. My father is a teacher. He is a teacher. Number 8. The students are learning English. We are learning English, or they are learning English. Both options are correct. Finally, my house is big. My house, that is the subject, can be replaced by the subject pronoun it. Very good, everyone. And that's all for today, everyone. Please subscribe to Speak English, leave a like and a comment, and see you next class.